standard sock, little ankle sock, real simple, or you could have one that's custom or whatever. First thing you're going to do is heel up on the ankle sock, okay? You're going to make a 2-inch incision on the end, approximately 3/8 in. 2-inch incision, approximately 3/8 in, and a line right down the center. You're going to slice open about 5 inches right here down the center, okay? Got one pre-made already, ready to show you. 2-inch incision, 3 inches in. The 5-inch line across the center, 2-inch incision, 3/8 in. Okay, it's ready to go. Let's go. Loops around the ear, real quick, simple. Loops around this ear. This makes it tighter with both. You can take one off to make it a little looser. Okay, I like mine a little tighter. Open up the inside. Voila, instant mask. Thanks, good luck, be safe.